Welcome to week 14's homework. You'll see that at number 2, practice for your phonogram quiz, will be on Monday. Number 3, continue studying for the final test. There's the study guide. And number 4, one of the last things we're going to be talking about in class is the final one of the big 5. It's called comprehension. You'll have more information on vocabulary comprehension next semester, so I'm just going to really touch over them briefly. What I'd like you to do, though, is to read and take notes on, there's an article and 2 videos. And what I'd like you to do, so using the handout I gave on comprehension, has a tab there. On the top of this, write down notes about 5 ways to support students who struggle with reading comprehension. It's going to happen. And then underneath the quotes, read the quotes from Reading Rockets. And then there's a section there to take notes on the teaching videos, on reciprocal teaching. On the bottom, click on the link here and go to Reading Quest, and you'll see lots of different ways to help with teaching reading strategies. So again, here's the article, Edutopia, and we have 1 video and a 2nd video. Last, I'd like you to cut and glue out Salvador, later, early. I handed that out in class. I need to put my notebook, but you're just cutting it out and gluing it onto page 122. When you're finished, turn in pages 121, the notes with the tab, and then 122, Salvador, later, early. All right, and I'll see you in class. Bye.